Hi second graders, this is Miss Bielova. So in this video we're going to complete page 153 and 154 of our study guide. I hope you watched the other video of chapter 15 review. If you haven't done so, please go and watch it first and then come back and work on these pages with us. Okay, let's see what we have. Open your page 153 and let's work on the first exercise. It says, fill in the blanks with words from the box. In our box, we have the word skip counting, dot paper, and related multiplication facts. Let's see which ones can be used for number one. Well, here we have a picture. What do you think that would be? That's correct. Here we're going to put the word skip counting. That's correct. Skip counting is fun. Oh, this is fun also, writing with a pen. It's always challenging for me. You know what? I'm just going to put an arrow like this. Awesome. You see? I found my strategy. There's a solution for everything. Okay, now let's look at next number 2 exercise. 6 multiplied by 3 equals 18. 3 multiplied by 6 equals 18. These are examples of, I know the answer, related multiplication facts. Great. Just promise you're not going to be cutting corners like me and just drawing arrows, okay? You better write those words on lines. It's just I have an excuse because I can't write with mouse. Okay, let's go to next exercise. Here we have number 3, they're asking us to skip count to find the missing numbers. Okay, so here we have the skip count from 0 to 30, and we need to find what is 9 multiplied by 3. So I'm going to have to skip count 9 times. So let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And where did I land? I landed on 27. So I'm going to write the answer 27. Okay, let's go to exercise number 4. Here we need to find out how many times do I have to skip count to or jump to get to 24. So let's see how many times do I have to skip count by 3 to get to 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There am I, 24. So I'm going to write 8. Okay, next one. Times 4 equals 16. Again, how many times do I have to jump to get to 16? Now, this is skip counting by 4. So let's count again to see how many times I have to get to 16. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let's write number 4. 4 multiplied by 4 equals 16. Now let's see number 6 exercise. Again, multiplied by 4 equals 36. Let's see how many times do I have to jump by 4 to get to 36. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I had to jump 9 times to get to 36. Great. So this is it for these exercises. Let's see what we have in our next page of exercises. Okay, so this is page 154 already. So let's continue completing it together. See, we are in this together. You're not alone. Number 7, it's asking us to find the missing numbers. So 8 groups of 3 is the same thing as, let's write, what did you say? That's correct. 8 multiplied by 3, and 8 multiplied by 3 is 24. Okay, let's look at number 8. 7 groups of 4. Now, here, again, I'm going to write 7 groups of 4 is the same thing as 7 multiplied by 4, and the answer is 7 times 4, 28. Now, I added these 2 exercises just for an extra practice, so you don't copy those. If you want to, you can. Why not, right? I just wanted to give you a little extra practice. 4 groups of 3. Let's say if you have that, you would just, again, write 4 multiplied by 3, and that is 12. If you have 9 groups of 4, you would just write 9 multiplied, and I didn't write anything in here, just one extra challenge. 9 multiplied by 4 equals to 36. Yay, we did it. Okay, let's look at another exercise. Here we have exercise number 9. have a dot paper that we need to use to find the missing numbers. Okay, it says 6 multiplied by 4 equals, again, here they use the best friend, 5 groups of 4, because it's closer to number 6. And I'm going to remind myself, right, the tip that we have, that we can use the best friends, right? And since this is a table of 4, I would use these best friends. And since it's number 6 that they want us to solve, the closest one to number 6 is this one. So 5 multiplied by 4. So we're going to write 5 groups of 4 plus, well, I need to get to 6. So I need to add this extra group. Since I need to solve 6 multiplied by 4, I need to add one group of 4. This group is what I need to add. So 5 groups of 4 is 20 plus, because one group of 4 is 4. That's why we have the 4 here. And the answer will be 24. Now I'm going to check. Is 6 multiplied by 4 24? Yes, it is. I did it correctly. Awesome. So this is this exercise completed. Okay, and now we have problem solving. That's the one I'm thinking that might be the hardest for you. So that's why I have extra exercises after this slide, but I'll tell you about that a little bit more later. Let's read it carefully. Use skip counting or dot paper to solve it. Well, I don't think we will need to use dot paper or skip counting. We already know our tables, so we'll just find them in our memory, right? The answers. Caleb ties sets of 3 medals with a piece of ribbon. He ties 10 sets of medals. How many medals does Caleb have in all? Did you just hear something that might tell you what to do? Well, I am going to grab my marker and I'm going to highlight the word in all. Yeah, because it's just like asking me, go for? What are you going to go for? I'm going for, what do you think? Multiplication. Yes, I got to multiply to get to this answer. So we're going to multiply 3 by 10. Okay. Equals, what's 3 multiplied by 10? 30. There you go. Our first problem is solved. And of course, I would have to write in the answer. Caleb has 30 medals in all. Great. Now, in exercise number 11, we need to use related multiplication facts to solve. So, Gail has 32 star-shaped keychains. She puts 4 keychains equally into some boxes. How many boxes are there? So she's putting them equally, right, into some boxes. So here we have a keyword equally. She's dividing them equally into some boxes. Just picture her. Picture Gail with keychains, and she's putting them into boxes. Okay. So how many boxes are there? What do you think we're going to do in this word problem? Well, I already made up my mind. I hope you agree with me. I decided to go for division. I'm going to divide to get to the right answer. Okay, so now if I'm dividing, I have to keep something in my mind. I have to make sure that I don't put the small number first. So I need to carefully place the big number first, which is 32 divided by 4. Equals to, now I need to use the related multiplication fact to solve this. So what number times 4 is 32? Okay, think it carefully. I have the answer. It's 8. 8 multiplied by 4 is 32. You see how the multiplication helped me to solve the division? Excellent. Now I have to remember to put the answer. I don't have the sentence here, but you can write it and add it to your workbook if you wish. I'm not going to even try to write it with my mouse. Please, don't make me do that. How many boxes are there? So we're going to say that there are 8 boxes. Now that makes sense, right? Excellent. So I said I have extra practice exercises here for you. I'm not going to complete those with you though. I want you to do this by yourself. I will upload this video to YouTube. So I want you to write me in comment section below my video. What would you do? What operation would you do for this problem? Okay, so take a good look at it. If you want to, you can stop the video. And what would you do in this problem? So just write that in the comment section below, right? If you would do multiplication or division, just put them in the right order and I will give you back feedback to let you know how you did. Well, thank you for working with me in this study guide. I hope you learned a lot. I hope you feel that you're ready and that you're going to succeed. Congratulations, you did it. Hard work will pay off. Remember, God promises us that He will reward us. Thank you, second graders. God bless you, and good luck to you in your checkup.